All right, let's start with the porch. Structure looks rough. Foundation seems weak here. I'll check the roof. Chimney looks precarious. Noted. Get measurements on the bay windows. All right, let's start with the porch and foundation. Oh, roof and siding look pretty rough over here. Yes, sir. Grab that lumber in those boxes, we'll need them. Open it carefully, just enough to see inside. Okay, I've got it, it's coming loose. Check the ceiling beams as well. This whole section looks weak. The front door is extremely fragile. It's warped and swollen. Be careful when opening. Yep. Inspecting inside now. Keep clearing around the foundation.
Use the broom on the porch steps.
Let's stack the wood over here. All right, porch is clear. Foundation needs a bit more. Let's get this piled up. Be careful with that board. Move it over to the pile.
Watch the glass on the ground.
Be careful with the glass, it's everywhere. Got it. Watch your step, this roof is dicey. Clear out this lumber here. Be careful with that piece, it's really rotten. Copy that, bring it down slowly. Needs to go to the left. Careful with that beam.
Get the glass out first.
Watch your step. Almost got it loose. Measure this beam carefully.
Right, I've got it.
Check the foundation over there. Check this beam for rot. It feels solid, just needs a good scrape. Looking good over here. Let's start the scraping. All right, team, let's get a handle on this. Oh. Porch structure looks weak, green roof is sagging, everything's rough, big cracks over here. All right, let's start with the foundation. Checking the porch roof for rot. Needs new windows up here. Takes again. Keep an eye on that rotted section, it looks unstable. The floor joists inside are questionable too. Careful with the door, this beam is completely rotted out. Make a note of that. Look at the water damage. Needs a full structural repair. Let's push the door carefully. All right, porch is clear. I'll get this big piece out of the foundation. Good, we can start framing tomorrow. Let's clear this side first. Got it, grab a shovel. Keep an eye out for nails. Watch your step on the porch. All right, let's start with these loose boards. Be careful with that glass near the window. Watch your step on the porch roof. Mind the loose timbers on that porch. Got it. This frame is coming out. Pull that awning down carefully. Watch out for the rod on that pillar. Grab that shutter from the second story. Mind your step in there.
Heavy one, bring it out.
Watch the dust. Mind your step, this wood is rotten.
Oh.
Watch that corner, it's sharp.
Keep scrubbing that upper left. Okay, I'm moving the washer down here. Keep scrubbing the corners.
Almost done with the lower wall.
Watch out for that loose section.
Keep scraping those beams on the porch. This section here is completely rotted out. Grab the power sander for the smoother wood. Keep sanding that section. Move down to the windows. Wash the dust. Rotten piece coming out. Got it with the jack. Careful. Installing the new support. Hold it steady. Steady. Looks much better already. The rod extends here. We need to cut above this point. Mark it. I'll prepare the saw. Lifting the new beam now. Keep it steady. Measure that beam exactly to the inch. Securing the roof edge now. Let's get this support fitted. Hold that beam steady. All right, secure it here. Watch the roof edge. Okay, that post is straight now. Good. Let's start on the entrance. Almost done smoothing this section. Hold it there. Now, the brace. Watch the angle. That's better. Good job, we're done. The wood here is much better.
Sand this down first.
We'll replace this whole section of railing.
All right, team, let's start with the porch columns.
Okay, inspecting the joint gaps on the walls.
Needs sanding here, lots of cracks.
Keep the lighting focused right here.
Got it. This spot's looking better.
Good, let's hit the support beam next. Keep working on that bay window.
It's looking a lot better now.
Just need to finish scraping before the light fades.
All right, packing it up.
Looks like the primer coat is ready for paint. Great job, character A, character B. Keep it even on the porch boards.
Don't miss that trim around the bay window.
We're almost done with this side. Keep working on the left side.
Need more paint with the trim.
Almost done with this section. Measure twice, cut once. Looks good, let's nail it down. Check the alignment on the banister. Perfect, we're almost done. All right, let's get that railing secure.
Pass me the screws for the light fixture.
Almost done with the top windows.
Line up this shutter here. Got it.
Got it. This trim looks great.
Install the doorknob.
Almost done. Light fixture next.
All right, let's get this ground leveled. More soil over here. Grab those shrubs, we're ready to plant.
The house looks great.
Yeah, the new siding is a huge improvement. Let's get these last shrubs in before the rain starts.